Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then this is Rimi. As you all know, Easter is coming up really fast. I think in a week, less than that. I wanted to create a really fun look for this upcoming Easter. So I feel like I achieved a look that I'm really proud of. I am loving this look and I hope that you guys enjoy this look as well.
I'm taking my Makeup Revolution SophX eyeshadow palette and I'm taking this blush pink color to set my eyelids. Then I'm taking this beautiful pink color from the palette and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm taking my time to blend the color and create a smooth and beautiful transition. Then I'm taking this mauvey pink color and I'm applying it right above the strawberry pink color I put earlier. This will help create a nice blended look. Now I'm going back to the bright pink color and deepening the color. For this step, I'm taking my time and I'm applying a little color at a time so that the transition looks smooth and doesn't look patchy. Now I'm taking some concealer and applying it towards the inner half of my eyes. I'm just using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply the concealer. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay electric palette and I'm mixing the two colors Freak and Thrash and applying it on the inner half of my eye. Now I'm taking the brush that I applied the pink color with and without taking any additional product, I'm just using this brush to blend the edges. Now I'm just going back and forth between the brushes and making sure the transitions are blended together and looking smoother and better. I'm taking this reddish brown color to deepen my outer corner. Then I'm taking this Hot Pot eyeshadow from Coastal Sands called Pacific Opal and applying this color with a small flat brush in the inner corner of my eyes. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this silver color from the Urban Decay electric palette called Revolve and applying it with the same small brush. And on top of that, I'm layering with this gold color from the Makeup Revolution palette. Now I'm going back to the reddish brown color and applying it towards the outer half of my lower lash line. Then I'm taking the gold color and applying it towards the inner half of my lower lash line. Now I'm just lining my eyes with my L'Oreal Infallible liquid eyeliner. Then I'm taking this Express Line eyeliner from Coastal Sands in color white and applying it on my waterline. For my mascara, I'm taking Essence Lash Princess Mascara and applying it on my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm taking my Stila Portrait of a Perfect Blush palette and applying this color Precious Pink on the apples of my cheek. To contour my face, I'm taking my ABH contour kit and applying it in the hollows of my cheek and the rest of the face. For highlighter, I'm taking Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlighter and applying it on the high points of my cheek. I like to use my fingers to blend this highlighter. Then I'm taking the Gleam Glow Kit and I'm taking the color Hard Candy and applying it on the high points of my cheek on top of the Wet n Wild highlight. Then I'm taking the color Mimosa to highlight the rest of my face. To line my lips, I'm taking this Essence Lip Liner in Cute Pink and I'm just following the natural line of my lips and applying this lip liner all over my lips. For my lipstick, I'm taking this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Times Square and applying it all over the lips as well. On top of it, I'm applying this lip topper from Vintage in color Pink Sequin.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this look. Have fun with this look, and if you recreate this look, make sure to send me a picture on Instagram or something. So I'll leave all my social media links down below in the description box, along with all the product details that I put on my face today. Have a wonderful Easter and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!